Here at the Assessment and Taxation Office in Washington County, we know property tax statements can be complicated and hard to understand. One commonly asked question we receive is, why did my taxes go up more than 3%? There are 4 common reasons your property taxes can increase by more than 3%. To help explain them, there are a few concepts to understand relating to assessed value. Property taxes are calculated using your assessed value. An assessed value is the lower of the real market value or the maximum assessed value. Real market value is the amount determined by the county assessor for a property that would sell in a typical open market transaction between a willing buyer and seller on January 1st of each year. Maximum assessed value is the taxable value limit established for each property and is allowed to increase each year by no more than 3%, with some exceptions. Whichever is the lower of the real market value or the maximum assessed value, this then becomes your assessed value. Now back to the common question, why did my taxes go up more than 3%? One reason is that your assessed value may have increased more than 3%. If your real market value has dropped below your maximum assessed value, it is possible for your real market value to increase more than 3% from last year, yet still be lower than your maximum assessed value. As the lesser of the two values, real market value then becomes your assessed value. Another common reason taxes may rise more than 3% is if you live in a taxing district that has new voter-approved bonds or local option levies. This includes new levies or bonds approved or reauthorized by the voters. These new levies or bonds will be reflected in this year's tax bill. Another reason taxes may have increased by more than 3% is if you recently have done construction or home renovation. Prior to the assessment date of January 1st, if you made any major renovations or changes to your property taxes may increase more than the anticipated 3%. The last reason is due to compression. The operating taxes for schools and local government are limited. Each account is tested to determine if the operating taxes based on the assessed value exceed the limit of $5 per 1,000 of real market value for schools and the $10 per 1,000 of real market value for local government. If the limit is reached, the tax bill is reduced, also referred to as compressed. As the market value increases, the difference between the market and the assessed values may increase as well. This reduces the chance for compression, but can also increase your tax liability if compared to a prior year's tax bill that was in compression. If your account has been in compression, it is possible that as the real market value increases, you will see an increase in your property tax bill by more than 3%. To learn more about property taxes, assessment, and how your statement is calculated, visit our website.